it's a very important that we need to understand that, India is looking at 1 trillion economy. See, I'll not be able to give you the revenue numbers from what we look at, but that market is huge and we are in the right space and right things we are doing to ensure that we accelerate India. And we have been working with India for the last 50 years, right? In transforming India in different technology transformation. We are the technology transformation as a lead for India. So this we see as exciting for us and lot of opportunities. We see this as we want to be building a nation with this. Part of the building nation, let me put it like this. AI is everywhere and AI is there for us, for any business. Every business is asking for AI. Okay, so we have to be cognizant of that. So now, whether our platform is AI enabled, yes, it is AI enabled. Okay, our cloud is AI enabled. Already, we are running multiple agents in our cloud, so that any business processes which can enable this. So we are already AI enabled. So it has to be AI enabled. Second one is we have a separate division which is looking at building AI processors, working with different models and then building agents. So we are continuing to work on that. So just to simplify the answer, if you ask me whether our cloud is AI enabled, yes, it is AI enabled completely. And we are working with business in managing it and implementing it and working with Indian even government and many other segments in looking at what is it required for the next 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. And then we are investing in building that models. This is the beginning, okay? And we are in the right, I'll put it as right time. And we have built the right products, what I'm talking about. And we have the right transformation and we have the contextual knowledge. We have been working with many government, not only government, I'm talking about enterprises also. We have many platforms, it may be banking platforms and many other platforms what we have built. So with these launches, we are accelerating. That's why we are calling it as accelerating India. Okay, that is where we are positioning ourselves to be building India with this our products and platforms. First thing is, if by the regulatory they need to then we have to ensure that this particular, it has to be transitioned or transformed or migrated to sovereign cloud. Okay, we have built our own transition methodologies, or we have frameworks, tools to ensure that the whole migration happens. Okay, and we have there are 3 layers of it, right? We have infrastructure as a service layer, IaaS layer. We have a PaaS layer, that is the platform as a service, where we have multiple, it may be databases or containers or whatever that we have built. We have digital layer where we have all AI platforms which are built in, SaaS platforms which are built in. So we provide all these things as a stack, okay, underlay on things, okay. So, and also we have something called, it will be very interesting, digital cockpit, which what it provides is a cloud cockpit, what we call. It provides a complete view to a customer on the whole cloud management for him, okay. It is like how much is the consumption, okay, what is the utilization, what is the availability, how much, what is the 99, we commit for a 4 nines, 99.99%, right? So what is the availability of that? And also the financial aspect of it, like, what is your, dollar spent or rupee spent for that. That gives a complete dashboard of it, okay, the whole thing. So this is the whole integrated platform. So we have built-in platforms to migrate, A, to ensure that this can be migrated, and B, it will managed well. So the other question you asked about is, I'm already running in a particular cloud, and then whether can I move it into this cloud. The migration is very smooth. We have done it for many customers, okay, across, and we have a complete process and methodology to do it. We'll do that. Second one is, if it is running on their own private instance, okay, and we can build a security layer on top of it, and then put our alpha orchestration layer on, and then we build it can coexist for some time, and then we can migrate it also, okay, do that also, so that the whole hybrid cloud management can be done, okay, together. So we can manage multi-cloud management, hybrid cloud management through our stack, which can be done. So based on the customer needs, how, what state they are in, what stage they are in, we'll be able to customize our solutions to build all this.